G'day everyone, welcome to Beast Lab. I just picked up this Arduino kit online. It's very inexpensive, there's a whole lot in it. We'll go through what's inside and also the lessons involved. Put everything on the board here. We'll go through step by step the process of building the circuits, entering the code into the system and running the programs. We'll take a look inside the kit now and see what's included. I've unwrapped everything out of the plastic just to save a bit of time. Got your USB cable, and that connects your PC to the microprocessor. This is where all the code is stored, and that controls all your devices via the inputs and outputs. With breadboard, it's where you make all your projects up. We'll go through the whole lot there, explain how it works, and going to be a lot of wiring of the circuits done with that one. The RFID modules, we've got displays, touchpads, got a prototyping board there. There's a motor power supply, joysticks, sensors, motors. It's all sorts. It's quite a good little starter kit. These are small components. A couple of ICs, some buzzers. There we go. We'll get into lesson 1 now. That's going to be the best way to start understanding how things work, just to get straight into it. So stay tuned. We'll take a quick look on the PC here. This is the code I've got written up. This is a temperature controller with a fan. This ramps up, turns some LEDs on, and then once it gets to a higher level, buzzer goes on. Just thought I'd show you the codes that are involved quickly. This is nothing too complex. It does involve a little hack. A 12 volt DC motor control board. So we'll show you that one in up and coming episodes. You modify that board so you can control a 12 volt motor via that microprocessor. It's very handy. So here's the tutorial for the Mega 2560. We're going to come down to lesson 1. Here's that packing list. Just quickly scroll through there, you can have a quick look. Yeah, it's not too bad. If you were going to buy all this separately, it'll probably cost you a little bit more, so getting it in the kit just saves a couple of bucks. And all the time of going through and ordering every component separately. This is where we'll start. Lesson 0, installing IDE. So once you've installed your program, go online here and grab your software, install that to your PC, you can get started. Once you've downloaded that software, choose the correct software for the computer you're running, go to their website and click on either one of these tabs here. That'll start the download. We'll go through the Windows installer. Once you've installed the package, you double click on that downloaded file and you'll click agree. Come down here to next and install. Then you can select your directory. I just left it as the default. Then it'll extract the files, and then you click install. That'll install all of the software on your PC or Mac. Once you've done that, you can then click on that icon down on the desktop, and that'll open the program. This is where you put all your code in, write all your programs, and then send that code across to the microprocessor. It's pretty much where everything happens. Now I'll go through the Mac OS install. You go to this link here for the software and select your Mac version there. Go ahead and install it. And once again, be back here on the main page. So that was the end of lesson 0. That's just how to install that IDE. So we'll move on now to lesson 1. This is adding libraries and opening the serial monitor. So you read down here, the libraries are just where the code is held. So if you don't have the library for the device you're using, then the microprocessor won't know how to use that code. So once you've got the library, you can hold the right code for that device and allow the system block to operate. So if you look down here, you go to Sketch, Include Library, and Manage Libraries. Once you get to libraries, you can click Search and search for any of the libraries that you want. This component here is the RFID RC522. So you just type into that search bar those details and install that library for that device. You can also install zip files of libraries. The kit comes with a disk that has the zip files on there for most of the projects. So it's handy, you can find everything there on the disk that comes with the kit. I'm not going to go through all the installation process of everything. It's fairly self-explanatory once you get the kit, and just go through these instructions. That's the basics. Install the library and then write your code, and then you'll transfer that information over to the microprocessor. Move on to lesson 2 now. This one's called Blink. In this lesson, you learn how to blink the onboard Arduino LED. Just go through and follow these steps. You only need the Mega board for this one, so just one component. And then here's the board. There's your USB cord that goes to your PC, so you'll also need that. Here's the USB cable that comes in the kit. It's just like one of those printer plugs. We've got another one here just off a USB socket that just provides power. Once you've programmed the unit, you can also just plug that in as a power source. For now, we'll connect the unit to the PC. Get a couple of lights up there. We'll go back over to the PC now and take a look at what we've got to do. Here's the code for the Blink program. To get to that code, you go to File, down to Examples, you come across to Basics and click on Blink. Open up a new window there. It's exactly the same, so I'll just close that off. Now that I've got that code there, we'll send it across to the board. To do this, you just have to click that forward button there. That's the upload button. We've already got the board selected here. There's there, the Arduino Mega. Once you've got your board selected, you can go ahead and click that button and it will upload that code to the board. I'll click on upload now. We'll compile the sketch and send it through. You can see there, confirmation from the TX and RX lights flashing, and after that we've got the LED on the board blinking. So that bit of code's now running. It's as easy as that. That's that first simple lesson, how to install a bit of code on the IDE and then send that across to the board. So a nice simple one there to get started. Stay tuned for the next lessons. We'll go through the whole book. We'll get everything explained. Very simple for everyone to understand. Alright everyone, take it easy. We'll catch you in the next episode.